This is Nala.
Speed! The speed!
It finishes a lot faster than apt. The ladies won't like this one. All we do is run 2 lines of code and it is installed. And it's installed. That was quick.
That's what she said.
Just replace apt with Nala in your commands. Let's run through it real quick. Update. Upgrade. Install thingies in parallel. RIP neofetch, you will be missed. Nala isn't a complete replacement for apt, but it can do most of what a normal person needs anyway. It makes up for anything it lacks with all those colors. Here's some other stuff that Nala can do. Remove packages. It can make a list. Here's a list of all downloadable packages. You can also list the packages on your system. Search for a specific package. You won't be able to do this because you don't even remember what you had for breakfast this morning. Show package details. Basically what this is that the people at VLC are a bunch of really awesome people. Here we have the speed command. This command will test available mirrors, display their scores, and let you choose the fastest one for future downloads. This is for when your router is made of wood and your ISP forgot the I in ISP. Now we select the mirrors with the lowest latency. Be sure to select multiple. And lastly, we can view a history of transactions. It kinda looks like my bank account. Undo a previous transaction. Then immediately redo it because you undid the wrong one. Thank you for coming. I hope this video negatively affected your mental health. Have a great day.